Okay, so I think doing a small video would do this place the most justice. So this is the stairway down into the basement, and here is the, I want to open that door. Here we got the circuit board and all the stuff in there. Shut it. Here, this is to be the cool cellar, converted to a storage space for all the groceries and stuff.
And that's a fan.
Yeah, so we know that's a fan. Okay.
Down to the bathroom. Daddy, can I see the bathroom?
Okay, that's the stairway again. Nice spindles. Okay, open that door.
This is where all the luggages go.
That's the box room. Under the stairs, storage. Shut it.
And this is the bathroom. And
This is the bathroom.
bricks on the wall. And the bathroom.
Go back a bit.
The bathroom.
The showers.
The shower. And the door, which can open and
Okay,
close.
that's fine. I think we get it. Okay,
And the TV.
right. And this is the living space.
And
And that's a stone veneer for the where the TV would sit. Okay. Here we have the bar. So this is a bar space. Here's additional storage. Okay. So here's a bar space, and that spot over there for the under countertop fridge. Got some more storage on this side. And that's the pedestal. Gonna put a couple bar stools here, and this is one of the bedrooms. Window. There's a closet. That space. Shut it. Shut it.
And there's a window up there.
Yeah.
Here's
And this is the larger bedroom. Okay, there's a closet.